What's going on, guys? If you're interested in my philosophies of what I think it takes to be a YouTuber in 2018, stick around. We're going to be talking about one of the lessons that I think that everybody should know before they start a YouTube channel.
On YouTube, more videos. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Gary Waller, and this is Waller Life. Sorry if my nose sounds a little stuffed up. I actually am sick. I don't have the flu. Thank you. I have a sinus infection and a earache. On some antibiotics, so you may or may not be able to tell, but I apologize in advance.
Don't hate on me. Too bad, you guys.
So, today's video, I know it's been coming around. This is lesson 4. We've had some good results with these. I think you guys are liking them. We're going to be talking about obsession. Obsession is absolutely important with anything you do. It's not just about YouTube. If you want to be better at something, you've got to be obsessed about it. If you want to develop something new, you got to be obsessed about it. I think I referenced it before. Robert Greene says the art of mastery takes something 10,000 hours of repetitiveness in order to form a mastery of it.
10,000 hours is a lot of work.
It's not done easily. It's not something that you can just jump on in and do it. You've got to put in the daily grind. Obviously, I'm not a master at YouTube. I'm not a master at anything, I don't think. Let me see. What am I a master of? No. I don't have that ideology where I believe that I can't get better at anything. I can always get better at everything, and that's kind of the mindset that you need to have if you plan on starting a YouTube channel. Always get better. You have to be obsessed about it. I mean, you have got to sleep, eat, dream, walk, talk, everything when it comes to YouTube. And there's a multitude of things. If your thumbnail could get better, make it better. If your video editing skills need to be better, make them better. Look up a video, go Google, watch a video, learn. Talked about education in the last video. It's absolutely important. But here's the thing, we are emotional beings. This is a little psychodynamic theory. Psychodynamic perspective. Your emotions drives the needs. You need to have fulfillment, acceptance. Obsession is a bad thing when you're obsessive about washing your hands 14 times before you touch food or something of that nature. I'm not making fun. I just want to state that obsession can also be a problem as well as a benefit. When it comes to skills, you should be obsessed about it. Steve Nash dribbled a tennis ball when he was trying to become a basketball player for the NBA. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but Steve Nash used to be a professional soccer player, and he is probably one of the greatest point guards that the Phoenix Suns ever had. But he was obsessed with being great, and there's a lot of those. There's a lot of great people. You look at anybody who's ever done something amazing, you know, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, those guys are all obsessed about what they were doing. Now here's the thing, you've got to find out something that you enjoy, even doing the grunt work too. That is so hard because a lot of people get in a rut. They'll find something, they'll pick up something, they'll start doing it a little bit, and then they realize it's a waste of their time. So you want to make sure that you find something that you are truly passionate about and become obsessed with even the tedious of tasks, and become extremely good and efficient at those tasks, so that way when you become creative with your skill and your art, it can then be displayed through all of the skill sets that you have.
Quick shout out, if you enjoy gaming or if you enjoy live streams with a lot of YouTubers, there is a particular YouTuber that I'm giving a big shout out today. He's always supportive of my channel. He comments always on my videos. I gotta give another shout out to Sky Inc. If you watch this, brother, thank you again. We can't thank you enough. You and your wife are so awesome. We really appreciate all the love and support. Thanks, man.
Always remember, go be awesome. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.